In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to Wix websites. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Wix site dashboard. If you're already signed into your Wix account, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the drop-down menu. From there, choose the option to go to all of your sites. This will take you to the page where all of your Wix websites are listed, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one site. Once you're on that page, select the specific site you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct website because the domain you add will be connected to that site. After opening the site dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and find the Setup section. In that area, you should see the option to connect a custom domain. Click that to begin the process. This is the section Wix uses for linking a personalized web address to your website. So if you want your site to look more professional and easier to remember, this is where you'll set that up. Next, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the domain you want to use. Type the domain carefully since even a small typo can lead to the wrong address being selected. After entering it, confirm your choice, then continue by clicking again when prompted to move forward. At this stage, Wix will guide you to choose the method you want to use. Follow the on-screen options and select the approach that fits your needs. As you move through this part, you'll also see the available duration options. This usually refers to how long you want the domain registration or connection period to last. Take a moment to review those choices so you can pick the option that works best for your budget and long-term plans. Once you've selected the duration and any related options, continue to the next screen. From there, you'll be asked to enter the necessary payment details. Fill in the required information carefully, review everything one last time, and then complete the purchase or connection process. And that's it. After payment is confirmed, your domain setup will be in progress. Keep in mind that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update, so don't worry if it isn't live instantly. If you found this helpful, you can use these same steps anytime you want to add a domain to another Wix website.